Hey everyone, in this video we'll be transforming our text. So for example, we've got 3 paragraphs here. We'll be transforming the first one into uppercase, second one into lowercase, and the third one into capitalize. So each of these paragraphs, they have their own class names. So for example, the first class is called uppercase, the second one is lowercase, and the third one is capitalize. So we're going to start out CSS, and then P represents the paragraph, so P.uppercase. So this was the class name from before. So P.uppercase and then text transform. This one will give it uppercase. And then the second one, it was named lowercase. And we'll transform it into lowercase. And then the third one was capitalize. We'll transform it into capitalize. So if we save that and run that, so the first one is uppercase, second one is lowercase, and the third one is capitalized text. So we could also do it with IDs instead of class as well, and it will have the same result. So for example, if we change the first one into ID is equal to uppercase, so in this case, we won't need the P dot. We'll just have a hashtag here. So it will display the same thing.